one too is lesbian. And
No.
because I see it to be normal.
Yeah, come make we chill, small. Dream TV for your mind. From Kasoa inside, the place feel proper. Authentic vibes, no long Asia. Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams, where we the chair go bloom.
Today is a girls show on the living room. I am young Ria and I am a host. I have here with me Ajoy Eboa. Mr. Ajoy, you look good tonight.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming. This show is proudly sponsored by Express Media College, a refined media institution in the country. Their slogan, Excellence is our pride, says it all. Reach out to them on the number displayed on the screen. So, Sister Ajua, as I said, you very good. Let me ask you, is it appropriate for a female to have a male best friend?
Yeah, it's normal.
Are you sure?
Mm.
Can men and women really be friends without one catching feelings?
Like for the women's side, I would say yes. But for
Why?
the men's side,
Why
no.
would you say that? For the women's side, you say yes.
Because me like this, I have a male best friend.
Oh,
And it's not
it's
any
not disturbing
it's
your
not
life.
so I'll say
What is the difference between a male best friend and a romantic partner?
so this one, the male best friend, that one you are not going to be like you'll be building a future with the male best friend too, but it's not in a
Hey,
romantic
can
way.
you
Listen. Like maybe the romantic partner, that one you know that as you guys are
get
talking,
married?
you are talking about you are planning on marriage and those things. But the best friend, no, that one is just normal, normal best friend. Like, oh, how are you doing? How is life?
And why do some people think it's a bad idea?
I'm on yet because you go and take this one male best friend right now, and maybe the male best friend is catching feelings for you. Then you agree, and then now it's not bestie again. Now it's not bestie again.
Benefits,
Say
right now, there's something like bestie with benefits.
yeah.
Is it okay to tell your male best friend like a secret that you are supposed to tell your partner? Because normally you are really close to your best friend. So is it appropriate?
No, not all.
Not all. Like you are
Like
partly agree. Oh wow.
you inside.
What are the rules for a man and a woman to stay best friends? Like what are the rules?
So like I was saying, you set boundaries like beginning.
You see some people they are best friendship name. Like how? Because some people feel like they go way back. So like
so all the years they spent together and things.
yeah. Is it okay for you to hang out alone with your new best friend? Like together, just you and him.
Oh, normal, it's okay now.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I believe it's because maybe he doesn't like you or something like that. Like he doesn't like you, like he
But
wants you to be his partner.
if you're even normal friends, cry, you can still hang out.
Only you and him.
Eh,
Normal friends.
it's normal.
Hey, not you.
And
Sometimes
if we hang out normal alone, yeah, that one.
no. You see, you need to like some people and their partners wouldn't allow them. That is it.
Ain't I single now?
Oh, that's why I said some people.
Okay, if one person is in a relationship,
That's where the problem is.
like
Especially when it is you, the lady.
in the
You that
relationship,
yes. So
I still see
your
it as normal.
really
And as far as you guys are friends, it's normal.
friends. Do you know what people do in the name of friendship?
So for me, I don't know because
It has happened to you.
because me
There is a
my
saying in
friendship
tea that and wada. Yes.
because me I take my friendship seriously. So me I'll say that normal friends they're always normal for the two of you to be at one place just talking.
And can you stay friends even if that person like he wants more?
And we can still stay.
Really? You know sometimes distracts your friendship. Around a year doing
Oh no, like
for something.
maybe it will not distract your friendship, but maybe you guys will start talking less.
It is a
But
distraction.
that one is normal because if it's your friend and you understand that your friend is in a relationship, it will not worry you like that.
No, maybe you don't have anybody,
Uh,
but you are his
friend.
yes. But you don't want to get more of
And so you tell you don't want to get more.
it won't do anything to your friendship.
And that one after you have said the thing, it will
Uh-huh.
become some way.
Yes. So in the end,
No, but it is still
just
like we
agree
will
that
still continue the friendship like that.
you will continue, but it will never be like it was.
Yes, that one there. It will never be like it was. But you can still continue the friendship like that. Because he has stuck his mind. Maybe he cannot hold it inside his body. But what do you mean for showing me? You know,
Oh.
or can are you free? See what can you know one.
By the way, do you think movies and TV shows make it difficult for us to believe platonic friendships exist?
Now yes, especially this
K
American.
drama.
No, if you can't go with it, that one is normal because
K drama. How is it normal?
I'm not
How is
saying
it normal?
it's normal, but you see, like this American movies,
Yeah,
sometimes you watch
Hollywood.
it one day, penna, you met the guy. The next day now, the next day now, you're starting to date the guy. I don't understand. You see that one?
That one too.
So people think that's how it is in real life. You see, someone will be doing it one day now, you're gonna meet the guy. The next day now,
And does society make it hard for people to believe that a man and a woman have something doing only if they are close?
have something they like.
Like they are in a relationship just because they are close.
Friendship is a relationship.
No, in a relationship like planning for marriage, partner.
Oh, that one. Everyone would think.
Hmm.
Everyone would think like that, but you
It is
just
sometimes
ignore.
is how you relate to that person.
Oh no, everybody,
Sometimes.
everybody. Because listen, if if you start working with a person, start talking with the person like most of the time, everyone will think that you are in a relationship.
Yeah.
Whether you are friends or not. But if it was a girl and a girl doing the same thing, they will not think that.
Yeah. Because a girl and a girl, like logically.
Because they
you
should
cannot-
think that that one too is lesbian. And
No.
because
It's not.
I see it to be normal. So if I can do
Oh.
it with the boy and I can do it with the girl, it should have been normal.
And some people have female best friend and male best friend at the same time, like
Yeah.
home girl and
Yeah.
home whoever. Yeah. People have it like that. And should your best friend be the first person you call when you have good news?
If you feel like
No. Take it as if you are in a relationship, like aside friendship. Should your best friend be the first person you call? Because he's your best friend, like best friend.
I hear you. Like that one too depends on how I'm relating with that best friend.
That is what I was telling you. That even if you
If
said
I am okay telling my best friend
first
first,
before the one you plan on getting
I don't
married
know.
to.
I don't know much check it first. Nipa no baka
No, it is a scenario that we are creating over here.
Okay.
Is it really?
Okay, like this one, you're having a partner. So I think the sensible thing to do is to tell your partner first. But if your best friend too is there at that moment, the new like maybe your best friend is the close one near you that moment, you can tell your best
But how is it that your best friend will be the close one near you at the moment and
maybe
you're hanging out at this place or
or close to his house.
close to his house? You cannot call your partner on the phone.
Oh, that one you can call, but the best friend is just there. If
Ah,
you're happy, anyone near you now, you tell the person.
yeah. Happiness can decide. With what she said, bring your opinions in the comment section. So, Sister Adua, would you encourage the ladies out there, like the youth, to find a male best friend, like male bestie, like homeboy?
It's very good.
It's very good. And why do you think it's like interesting or is it necessary? Why do you think it's necessary?
Oh, like you get someone to share your opinions with, get someone you can maybe plan with, You
Yeah.
get someone you can like. There's a whole lot, but it's just that it's not coming in mind right now. But
Yeah.
there's a whole lot. Mm-hmm.
I agree with what she said. You can also bring your opinions in the comment section. This show was proudly sponsored by Express Media College. Reach out to them on the numbers displayed on the screen. Remember to subscribe so that you be kept updated and share for others to have a view.